it's more of a time thing than it is money. I think we might be able to get this thing fixed, but you'll hear the grind. We were gonna get a second car so that we could just have this one fixed up, but we don't do that. Then we've got to leave this thing and get it fixed and spend the day waiting for it, or rent a car or something. If they could do it fast, then I could leave it there and we could hang out. You hear the rub. I'm not sure if it's a wheel bearing or a what it is. Differential transfer case. There. I just wanted you to hear that.